You asked, we delivered. SkyWire Studio announces its latest feature, the Symbol Editor. Now you can create your own custom symbols for use in your wiring diagrams. The editor allows customizing a reference grid as a design aid, a variety of shapes to fit virtually any need, pan and zoom tools, and a 50 square pixel reference guide for optimal symbol sizing. Let's try it out by creating a PNP transistor. Choose a shape and click Add Shape. We will use a circle, lines, polygon, and text. Shape properties can be set in the right side panel. Once the symbol is complete, add connection points where your wires will attach in a diagram. You can save the symbol, keeping it private to you, or making it public for all users. Return to the wiring application and load the new symbol. It can be used just like any other symbols. We hope you enjoy these new features, and as always, reach out with any feedback.